Hey there mini traders, welcome back to our comprehensive algo trading course. In our previous video we explored Python lists and their functionalities. Today in our 17th video we have an exciting topic to discuss: Python tuples. So let's dive right into it. First things first, let's understand what a tuple is and its unique features. A tuple is an ordered collection, just like a list, but with one key difference. Tuples are unchangeable. Once you create a tuple, you cannot modify its values. However, tuples do allow duplicated values. This makes them useful in various scenarios. Here's an example of a tuple representing currency pairs. As you can see, we defined the tuple using parentheses and separated the values with commas. To find out the length of a tuple, we can use the len function. For instance, if we apply it to currency pairs, we will get the total number of currency pairs in our tuple. Here's an interesting fact about tuples. Even if you have only one item, you still need to add a comma after the item to create a tuple. This rule helps Python distinguish between a tuple and other data types. Another advantage of tuples is their flexibility in allowing different data types. You can have a tuple with strings, numbers, and even other tuples. Accessing tuple items is similar to accessing items in lists or strings using their indexes. Remember, the indexing rules for tuples are identical to lists and strings. You start counting from 0, and you can also use negative indexing and indexing ranges. Now, what if we want to combine two tuples together? We can use the plus operator, just like with strings. This operation merges the tuples into one. Finally, I want to mention that there are other techniques for handling tuples that we will explore in future lessons if we need. For now, the knowledge you've gained is sufficient for our purposes. That wraps up our discussion on Python tuples. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the basics of tuples. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. I challenge you to create your own tuples representing your favorite data and practice handling them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.